In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Notion. Deleting a workspace might be necessary for various reasons, whether it's to declutter your workspace options, remove an old project, or you simply want to start fresh. Understanding the process ahead of time makes sure you do it smoothly and without hiccups. Before diving in, it's important to note that deleting a workspace in Notion is a permanent action. Once you delete a workspace, all its contents will be removed and unrecoverable. So, if there's anything you might need later, make sure to back it up or duplicate any important pages or data to a different workspace. First, you need to open Notion. This is typically done by launching the app or visiting the Notion website and logging into your account. Once you're in, take a moment to find the sidebar on your Notion dashboard, which is generally located on the left side of your screen. This sidebar lists all your workspaces, making navigation a breeze. It's here that you'll see the specific workspace you'd like to delete. Click on it to make it the active workspace. Now, head over to the upper left corner of Notion. You'll notice a small menu represented by 3 horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the hamburger menu. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, navigate to the Settings Members option and click it. This takes you to the settings for the workspace you're currently viewing. In the Settings Members section, you'll want to scroll down until you find the option labeled Danger Zone. It sounds a little ominous, but don't worry. It's just Notion's way of ensuring you pay attention and don't accidentally make any drastic changes. Click on Danger Zone to expand this section, where you'll find the Delete Workspace button. Once you click Delete Workspace, Notion will prompt you to confirm your action. This confirmation step is crucial, as it ensures that you are absolutely sure you want to delete the workspace. Double-check that you've backed up any important information, and if you're still sure, go ahead and confirm this action. And just like that, your workspace is deleted. Remember, there's no turning back from this, so it's always better to proceed with caution and certainty. Occasionally, taking a moment to breathe and ensuring you're ready makes a difference. To sum it up, deleting a workspace in Notion is a straightforward process. By following these steps carefully, you can maintain a clean, organized digital workspace tailored to your needs. If you have any questions or encounter any difficulties during the process, feel free to revisit this video or check out Notion's support resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.